Guys, it's Tuesday, June 28th, 2022, with a temperature of 19 degrees Celsius with clear skies. I'm just standing at the subway station here at Old Mill. It's a beautiful day today. Blue skies, no humidity, and there seems to be some workers here on the eastbound side of the train tracks here on line 2. So maybe we'll watch a couple trains and see it go through. Line 2 is situated on Bloor Street West in Etobicoke, actually, which is part of Toronto. The trains will be passing a little bit slower going through here, and I'm sure he's going to wave that flag. I can remember filming here in a few months past where it was all white and snowy and no fluffy green trees. In fact, I remember after the January 17th blizzard, we had some issues on this line. Like, you could hear a lot of knocking sounds and stuff in the trains. So that was interesting that it's been hopefully since resolved, because I haven't heard it too much. And here's a westbound train coming through. Now the eastbound train coming through now. And now we'll wait for the westbound train to come through, since I wanted to film it going by. This train is westbound to Kipling Station. And I see now another eastbound train is coming through, so that's cool. It's kind of nice that the TTC actually has a designated waiting area, so that's really cool. Oh, and here's our train.
Line 2, West Kipling. The next station is Royal York Station.